We're removing the front evaporator on a 2015 Toyota Fortuner. If you're looking for the rear evaporator removal, make sure to check out our other video. We've got that covered too. To access the front evaporator, we need to take out the entire dashboard. So let's get started. Remove the head unit. Take off the top trim to reveal some hidden bolts. We'll need to remove the instrument panel. Make sure to turn the steering wheel to reach and remove the screws behind it. After removing all the bolts and screws holding the dashboard in place, carefully pull out the dashboard. Watch out for clips. They can hold things in place even after all fasteners are removed. We'll need to partially remove the lower dashboard to give us enough clearance to slide the evaporator out. Once the assembly is out, dismantle the evaporator housing to reach the cooling coil inside. As you can see, this one's really dirty. Definitely time for a replacement or deep cleaning. If you want us to make a dedicated video focusing on how to clean the cooling coil properly, just let us know in the comments below. We'd be happy to show you step by step.